Hello friends, this is Honeywell scanner. A lot of my customers they ask me to make a detailed review about Honeywell scanner, and this is Honeywell scanner tabletop type, and there is a lot of laser lights are there. If you can see over here in the back side also. And today what we are going to do, we are doing a high speed scanning testing over here. There is a lot of products are here. There is a lot of barcodes over here, and we are in our computer we will do a high speed scanning test. We will scan it continuously so that how it will work and what is the speed, we will check it over there. And before going to the testing, I will show you how the Honeywell scanner package is there. This is the packing actually. This I brought from Amazon actually, and you can see over here the details, descriptions, and here also some informations are there in the top. The 19,000 something is price is shown, but I purchased from Amazon around 9,000 rupees only, 9,500 something only, this price actually. And now the testing we are going to do with RAINTECH POS billing software. You can see over here, and the software is already you can see in the desktop actually. And now we will take the scanner. You can keep it like that, and you can take one by one product also, you can scan it. But I am for speed purpose. See, now there is no product actually added. Now for high speed purpose we will scan like that. So the products will come over there. And before scanning, I will show you how many lights are coming from the scanner actually. So we will take a small piece of paper actually. Here some paper we will take it, and I will keep in front of the scanner. So that you can see over here how many lights are passing. See how many lights are coming from this. See, this is the way the lights is passing from the scanner. This many lights is there. How many crows is there? You can see how many lines are there. You can see over here. This many lights is coming. So any direction you keep the barcode, it will scan very quickly, very fastly. This is the very good advantages from this scanner. Compared to normal traditional scanner for supermarkets and all, this is very fast actually. So now here in the RAINTECH POS billing software, there is no products added. Just we will scan it like that. You can see over here we are just moving like that. See how fast it is. So this is the now you can see over here immediately products are added over here. See, directly you can make the printout also. This is the way you can handle this barcode scanner. You can see this one, there is some description also is written in the bottom. I think you can see over here, this is a scanner and this is the price, and there is some supporting products also is available along with this product. There is some screw you can see over here. See, the screw also is available along with the scanner. With this package it is coming actually. So now I think you have got a proper idea how speedily it is working, this scanner. So this is very nicely we can use if you are using a supermarket center. For this scanner you can buy from Amazon. For any software related support, for example a GST billing software or a supermarket billing software, you can contact in this number so that we can help you to provide the software all over India, and abroad also we have a batch edition software for the same. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.